Hi, I'm Lindsay Bugby from The Postman's Knock, and today I'm going to show you how to make this fabulous butterfly-themed Mother's Day card. You open it up, and it's got a pretty lace butterfly in the center. So first you'll want to start off by cutting out a 10-inch by 7-inch piece of black cardstock. Fold that in half. And then if you have a bone folder, use it to make a nice crisp crease. Next, open up the medium butterfly PDF and instruct your computer to print it off at 85%. So it's a little bit smaller than it might normally be. And then go ahead and cut it out. Once you've got this little guy ready to go, center him on your card the best that you can. And then use a white mechanical pencil to trace around the butterfly. Next, use a firm, straight surface to fold your butterfly in half on a diagonal. And then use your bone folder to reinforce that crease. Grab a scrap piece of paper and apply glue to the back of your butterfly. Now open up your card and match the butterfly crease with the crease of the card. Flatten everything out. Make sure that glue is adhering. And then close the card and use the bone folder again to reinforce that crease. And now when the card opens, you've got your butterfly in the middle. Now we've reached the fun and versatile part of this tutorial. You're going to take white ink, and if you are comfortable using a pointed pen, I recommend bleed-proof white ink. Otherwise, I recommend using a Sakura Jelly Roll white pen. And then you're just going to fill in the butterfly with ways to say Happy Mother's Day in lots of different languages. And your goal is to reach to the end of the outline. So that way, when somebody looks at this card from a distance, they can clearly see that it is a butterfly. So if you want to fill this out using a fancy calligraphy style, great. If you're not there yet, or that's just not your thing, use hand lettering. Anything that gives you a message, the opportunity to write a message works. Once you're finished adding text, your card might look something like this, or it might not. You can use whatever hand lettering style you really gel with. And then wait for your ink to dry. Once you're pretty sure it's dried, you can go ahead and erase your guideline. And I want to take this opportunity to say, you might have been watching and thinking, oh my goodness, how is she writing all of that Mother's Day stuff without pencil guidelines? Because honestly, it's better with this type of project if you draft out the text first. I already made this card. So I made this And when I made that, I used pencil drafts, all right? So I used a white mechanical pencil to draft out everything to make sure that the layout roughly worked. So that's how I sort of knew where to write what. You can do it without a pencil draft, but if you have the time, it's going to look better if you can plan everything out. As soon as your white mechanical pencil outline is erased, your card is finished, and you've got this fabulous and unique Mother's Day card that any mom is going to love. Open it up, use a white gel pen to write your message on the inside, and you can give it to her, and I'm sure that she'll be thrilled. I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial and it helps you to send something that you feel good about to the mother or the mothers in your life. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.